Hey everyone, welcome back to Words Whispers YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you our new guests, and these are not lovebirds. Of course, lovebirds are there, but today I'm going to show you ringnecks, 3 different varieties. So what you're seeing is a white ringneck. It has red eyes, and because I bought these from the market directly and not from any fellow breeder, so I'm not exactly sure about their age, but I believe this chick may be between 10 to 15 days of age. And this is the yellow ringneck, and again the eyes are red. This is even younger, maybe between 8 to 10 days old, and these are completely on hand feed. So I'm their father, I'm their mother these days, and I'm feeding them different formulas to keep their hunger satisfied and keep them growing. These seem to be doing well and they're pretty healthy. They've spent a couple of days with me up until now. And these are green ringnecks, and you see the red dots on their feathers. So these are locally known as raw parrots, but we'll call them ringnecks. And this one you see on screen is a male, judging from its larger head size. And this one's a female. Because their head size is relatively smaller. So these are the 4 parrots that I bought from market a couple of days ago, and these are completely dependent on me for feeding, but they are coming along nicely. They're growing healthy and happy. I'll keep sharing their growth updates with you. So do let me know if you have any comments. Do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.